Good morning, students. Once again, we are here to discuss our worksheet 37 from your chapter Carbons Compound. Beta, आज हम today we will start our new chapter. So we will do carbons compound. Students, carbon is the element of our life. Like if we say that carbon is a versatile element and that forms the basis of our all living organisms, and many of the things we use such as food, clothes, medicine and books, right, all are made up of carbon. The earth crust has just 0.02% carbon in the form of mineral like coal, petroleum carbonate and hydrogen carbonate, and in atmosphere is just 0.3% of the carbon dioxide. Carbon is a non-metal and its symbol is C. Its atomic number is 6 and electronic configuration is 2 and 4. 2 in K shell and 4 is in L shell, and it's a tetravalent. Okay. How does carbon attain noble gas configuration? Carbon attain its noble gas configuration by making the covalent bond, right, with other elements as well as itself, right? See, uh, it does not form ionic bonds. Why? Because either by losing or gaining the electron, as it is difficult. Why it is difficult gaining the electrons? It would require, if it gains, if it lose, it require lot of energy to remove these electron. But if it gain, then it is also difficult for the nucleus of carbon to held with 6 proton on 4 extra electron. That is why carbon never form ionic bonds, it always form covalent bonds, right? Now come to what are covalent bond. Covalent bonds are formed by the sharing of electron with the same atom or maybe the different atoms, right? This is the definition of covalent bond. Then student, we have carbon overcome this problem by sharing of valence electron with the other atom of carbon or with the atoms of other element. The atom of other element like hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, chlorine are also form the electron by sharing of electron, and that is why they form covalent bond. Covalent bond of molecules are seen to have strong bond within the molecules, and but their intermolecular forces are very small, so they have low melting and boiling point, as well as the electron shared and no charge particles are formed. Electron, because there is no sharing of electrons, so there is no charge on the particle, and covalent compounds are poor conductor of electricity. Okay. Student, this is the example they have given you, the covalent bond and how these covalent compounds are formed. See, if I take the example of hydrogen has one electron in outermost shell, so two hydrogen form this single bond, and you can write like this. So this is the bond between, and this is a single bond, you can write it like this, hydrogen, right, single bond between the hydrogen atom. And next example, we have oxygen has 6 electron in outermost shell, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Next electron, 1 2 3 4 5 6, right, like then we have this, you can see, right, and this is the complete this is the complete 8 electron. You can take this also, right, means I'll do it again for you. See, we have this oxygen, you can write it like this, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you have this, I will definitely write it, see, okay, 6 electron, this is, we have 6 electron, it will form 8 like this and it will form 8 like this. So we have this double bond between oxygen atom. Third, we have nitrogen has 5 electron its outermost shell. So we have 1 2 3 and like this, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and also this, right? So this is how this nitrogen atom form triple bond. This is the triple bond between nitrogen atom, right? And this is double bond between, and in hydrogen we have single bond, right? And this is the structure of methane. We have carbon. We have 4 electron in outermost shell, and each electron of hydrogen attached to it or combined to it to form, see this, 8 electrons. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and it completes its octet. And likewise this hydrogen, 2 2 2 and 2. And this is how the structure of methane is formed, right? And let's do just practice exercise. See, first we have why carbon is a tetravalent. You can write this answer easily from here, because it has 4 electron. You can write this, it's electronic configuration. This, it's carbon is a tetravalent. Why? It forms a covalent bond. Second, carbon form covalent compound. Justify your answer. Why carbon forms the covalent compounds? Because see, in case of carbon we have carbon never lose, or you can write this answer from here. See, this is the answer of your second question. Okay, you can write all these points. Third, we have why write any 3 physical properties of covalent compound. It has low melting and boiling point, shared no charge is there, and it is poor conductor of heat and electricity, and they are insoluble in water also. State the reason why covalent compounds are generally poor conductor. Because there is no charge particle, so they are poor conductor of electricity. Fifth, we have electronic dot structure of water. I'll write for you. Water we have, students, like you can draw the structure of water like this. Formula of water is H2O. We have oxygen and hydrogen. Then 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this is the formula of your. So we have this 8 electron in case of oxygen and 2 electron in case of hydrogen. This is the formula of your water. Second, we have carbon dioxide. Carbon we have 6 electron, 4 electron in outermost shell, 1 2 3 4, and we have oxygen 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we have this. Okay, so like this we will be able to make the structure of electronic dot structure of carbon dioxide and methane. For methane, it is there in your worksheet. So this is all about today's worksheet. Hope you liked it, and share with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you, Vita.